쇼핑몰에서 영어 회화 연습.
English practice conversation in a mall. English practice conversation in a mall.
먼저 어디로 가야 할까요?
Where should we go first? Where should we go first?
아마도 푸드코트?
Maybe the food court? Maybe the food court?
벌써 배가 고프신가요?
Already hungry? Already hungry?
그냥 약간의 간식.
Just a little snack. Just a little snack.
알겠습니다. 어떤 게 좋을 것 같나요?
Alright, what sounds good? Alright, what sounds good?
감자튀김은 어때요?
How about some fries? How about some fries?
좋습니다. 장소를 찾아보겠습니다.
Perfect, let's find a place. Perfect, let's find a place.
보세요. 프라이 스탠드가 있어요.
Look, there's a fry stand. Look, there's a fry stand.
좋습니다. 크게 분할하고 싶으신가요?
Nice, wanna split a large? Nice, wanna split a large?
응, 해보자.
Yeah, let's do it. Yeah, let's do it.
어떤 소스를 원하시나요?
What sauce do you want? What sauce do you want?
케첩과 마요네즈겠죠?
Ketchup and mayo, maybe? Ketchup and mayo, maybe?
좋은 선택.
Good choice. Good choice.
이 쇼핑몰은 거대해요.
This mall is huge. This mall is huge.
알아요. 가게가 너무 많아요.
I know, so many stores. I know, so many stores.
방문하고 싶은 매장이 있나요?
Any store you want to visit? Any store you want to visit?
어쩌면 기계 가게일까요?
Maybe the gadget shop? Maybe the gadget shop?
그래, 확인해보자.
Yeah, let's check it out. Yeah, let's check it out.
와, 여기 멋진 것들이 너무 많아요.
Wow, so many cool things here. Wow, so many cool things here.
저 스마트워치를 보세요.
Look at that smartwatch. Look at that smartwatch.
정말 굉장해요. 그래도 비싸다.
It's awesome. Pricey though. It's awesome. Pricey though.
아마 다음번에.
Yeah, maybe next time. Yeah, maybe next time.
옷 코너를 보실래요?
Wanna see the clothes section? Wanna see the clothes section?
물론이죠. 앞장서세요.
Sure, lead the way. Sure, lead the way.
아, 이 재킷 좀 보세요.
Ooh, look at this jacket. Ooh, look at this jacket.
좋아 보인다. 입어보세요.
Looks nice. Try it on. Looks nice. Try it on.
나에게 적합합니까?
Does it suit me? Does it suit me?
확실히, 매우 스타일리시합니다.
Definitely, very stylish. Definitely, very stylish.
내가 받아야 할 것 같아.
Think I should get it? Think I should get it?
당신이 그것을 좋아한다면, 그것을 위해 가십시오.
If you like it, go for it. If you like it, go for it.
알겠습니다. 목록에 추가하겠습니다.
Alright, adding it to the list. Alright, adding it to the list.
신발 좀 구경해 볼까요?
Let's check out some shoes. Let's check out some shoes.
네, 새 운동화가 필요해요.
Yes, need new sneakers. Yes, need new sneakers.
보세요. 이것들은 멋지네요.
Look, these ones are cool. Look, these ones are cool.
완벽해요.
They're perfect. They're perfect.
입어볼까?
Should I try them on? Should I try them on?
응, 계속해.
Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, go ahead.
잘 맞고 편하네요.
They fit well, comfy too. They fit well, comfy too.
좋아요. 정말 멋져 보이네요.
Nice, they look great. Nice, they look great.
내가 그걸 살 것 같아요.
Think I'll buy them. Think I'll buy them.
멋진 선택입니다.
Awesome choice. Awesome choice.
커피를 마실 준비가 되셨나요?
Ready for a coffee break? Ready for a coffee break?
응, 카페를 찾아보자.
Yes, let's find a cafe. Yes, let's find a cafe.
저기에 하나 있어요.
There's one over there. There's one over there.
좋아. 자리에 앉자.
Great, let's grab a seat. Great, let's grab a seat.
당신은 무엇을 얻고 있나요?
What are you getting? What are you getting?
아마 라떼인 것 같아요. 너?
Probably a latte. You? Probably a latte. You?
모카 마시러 갈게.
I'll go for a mocha. I'll go for a mocha.
좋은 것 같아요.
Sounds good. Sounds good.
이곳은 너무 아늑해요.
This place is so cozy. This place is so cozy.
응, 여기 분위기가 너무 좋아.
Yeah, love the vibe here. Yeah, love the vibe here.
이후에 더 쇼핑하고 싶으신가요?
Want to shop more after this? Want to shop more after this?
어쩌면 조금.
Maybe a little bit. Maybe a little bit.
염두에 두고 있는 다른 매장이 있나요?
Any other stores in mind? Any other stores in mind?
아마도 서점?
The bookstore, maybe? The bookstore, maybe?
아, 네. 저는 책을 좋아해요.
Ooh, yes, I love books. Ooh, yes, I love books.
마찬가지로 거기에서 몇 시간을 보낼 수도 있습니다.
Same, could spend hours there. Same, could spend hours there.
마무리하고 넘어가겠습니다.
Let's finish up and head over. Let's finish up and head over.
알겠습니다. 준비되면 완료하세요.
Alright, ready when you are. Alright, ready when you are.
재미있었어요.
This has been fun. This has been fun.
그래, 완벽한 쇼핑몰 데이야.
Yeah, perfect mall day. Yeah, perfect mall day.
우리는 이것을 더 자주 해야 합니다.
We should do this more often. We should do this more often.
전적으로, 나는 언제든지 그것을 할 준비가 되어 있습니다.
Totally, I'm up for it anytime. Totally, I'm up for it anytime.